Book of Heaven, Volume 11, May 9th, 1913. Jesus and his mama are inseparable. How she carried out her office of mother. While praying, I was thinking about that moment in which Jesus took leave of his most holy mother to go and suffer his passion. And I said to myself, how is it possible that Jesus could separate from his dear mama and she from Jesus? And blessed Jesus told me,
"My daughter, surely there could not be separation between me and my sweet mama. The separation was only apparent. She and I were fused together, and the fusion was such and so great that I remained with her, and she came with me. So it can be said that there was a sort of bilocation. This happens also to souls when they are truly united with me. And if while praying they let prayer enter into their souls as life, a sort of fusion and bilocation occurs. I bring them with me, wherever I am, and I remain with them. My daughter, you cannot comprehend well what my beloved mama was for me. In coming upon earth, I could not be without heaven, and my heaven was my mama. There was such electricity running between me and her, that not one thought escaped her which she would not draw from my mind. And this drawing from me of word, will, desire, action, step, in sum of everything, formed the sun, the stars, the moon in this heaven, together with all possible delights that a creature can give me, and that she herself can enjoy. Oh, how I delighted in this heaven! Oh, how I felt cheered and repaid for everything! Even the kisses that my mama gave me enclosed the kiss of all humanity, returning to me the kiss of all creatures. I felt my sweet mama everywhere. I felt her in my breath, and if it was labored, she would relieve it. I felt her in my heart, and if it was embittered, she would sweeten it. I felt her in my step, and if it was tired, she would give me vigor and rest. And who can tell you how I felt her in my passion? At each lash, at each thorn, at each wound, at each drop of my blood, I felt her everywhere, carrying out the office of my true mother. Ah, if souls reciprocated me, if they drew everything from me, how many heavens and how many mothers would I have on earth?